Very good morning traders. Welcome to MST School of Trading. So today we have got another wonderful day. Buy entry we have got as per MST iCore 2.0 Advanced Premium Trading View Indicator. Let me show you how we take the entry today and how we got the profit by using our indicator. So now, as I told you, if you are new to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to YouTube channel, also join our free Telegram group for further updates. And if you don't know how to add the indicator from the invite only mode, the first thing you have to do is you have to create one free trading view account. You don't have to pay for anything. You don't have to pay anything for it. Just to open a free account. Then subscribe to our indicator by choosing any plan. Then come here to the indicator option, select here, and you can see invite only mode. Okay, there you will see our indicator. Just click on it and automatically it will be added to our chart. Now what to do? Before you start the day for trading, come here and click on it and give reset settings. That's all. Clear? After that, say consider that market is going to open just now. I'm keeping in the first candle. So market has not opened. Say this is yesterday's scenario. Yesterday what happened? Exactly here, buy activated, first target hit, again SL hit, second sell activated, all the targets hit. So if you want me to enable the second sell targets, I will enable and show you. See yesterday how many targets hit. 2 targets perfectly hit. Okay, so now market is going to open and today's date is 4th August 2023. So now we are ready with the entries. So now once immediately market is open, immediately our buy entry and sell entries are ready. Buy entry and sell entries are ready. What to do? If the market is coming down first to this zone, that is 44,527, we will be ready with 44,500 call option. Okay, otherwise we will be ready with 44,700 call option, this midpoint. If you are a seller, you can sell 44,500 put option. So like that you can trade. The strike price selection method is very simple. So now we are waiting at both sides. We don't know where the market will go. If the market is coming down, we will be buying the call option. If the market is going up, we will be buying the put option. So it is very clear. If SL hit, we will be waiting for the closing price, then we will go for the reversal entry. So now hope it is clear. Very simple method. So let us see where the market is going. Market is coming down to our buy zone. Now buy activated. The next one is go here. If buy activated, remove the sell. Enable the first buy targets. If buy activated, remove the sell. Enable second sell and second targets. Then remove all other extra fittings. You can enable extra targets if you want. That's all. Now our setting is ready. So now we are waiting for the first target, 44,667. Market is nearing our targets. Yeah, perfectly our first target hit. So what the next step we have to do? Now we have to revise the stop loss to cost to cost. Revise the stop loss to cost and wait for the second target. And revise the stop loss to cost and wait for the second target. Second target also hit. Now keep the stop loss to second target and wait for the third target. Third target also hit. Now revise the stop loss to third target and wait for the next target. So this is the way we have to trade. Now our stop loss is at the third target. We are waiting for the next targets. Fifth target we are waiting. So 4 targets so far perfectly hit. 4 targets so far perfectly hit. So we had no other confusion. We were just following the given methodology. Okay, what is another method we having? See here, this candle and this candle, it is a R3C confirmation. One more R3C here, rejection candle, confirmation candle. One more R3C here, rejection candle, confirmation candle. So 3 R3C simultaneously have occurred and we have got a very good profit. So this is very simplest method available in the market so that you can trade. So we are trying to make algo system for this software. If anyone knows where to make the algo software, please contact us. Please help us so that we can help you with this strategy going live without any human emotions. Thank you all. Bye bye. If you are not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe, support us, and we will catch you in the next video. Bye bye. Wish you all a happy, profitable day ahead.